Welcome to my channel Simply Shipping and Logistics. Hi everyone, and welcome to my video about the process of manufacturing shipping containers. In this video, I'll show you how these essential pieces of cargo transportation are made. Shipping containers are a vital part of the global economy. They are used to transport goods all over the world, and they play a major role in keeping our supply chains running smoothly. But how are shipping containers made? In this video, we'll take a look at the entire manufacturing process, from the raw materials to the finished product. Now let's have a look. The first step in manufacturing a shipping container is to cut the steel plates to size. These plates are then welded together to form the frame of the container. Once the frame is complete, the walls and roof are added. The walls are made of corrugated steel, which gives them strength and durability. The roof is made of flat steel, which helps to protect the cargo from the elements. Once the walls and roof are in place, the doors are installed. The doors are made of steel and are designed to withstand the rigors of shipping. Once the doors are installed, the container is painted. The paint helps to protect the container from rust and corrosion. Finally, the container is inspected for quality. Once it passes inspection, it is ready to be shipped to its destination. The different types of shipping containers. There are three main types of shipping containers. 1. Dry vans. These are the most common type of shipping container. They are used to transport a wide variety of goods, including food, clothing, and furniture. 2. Refrigerated containers. These containers are used to transport goods that need to be kept at a certain temperature, such as food and medicine. 3. Open-top containers. These containers are used to transport goods that cannot fit in a standard dry van, such as construction materials and machinery. The different materials that are used to make shipping containers. The most common material used to make shipping containers is steel. Steel is strong and durable, and it can withstand the rigors of shipping. Other materials that are sometimes used to make shipping containers include aluminum and wood. The different steps involved in the manufacturing process. The manufacturing process for shipping containers can be divided into four main steps. 1. Cutting the steel plates to size. 2. Welding the steel plates together. 3. Adding the walls and roof. 4. Installing the doors. 5. Painting the container. 6. Inspecting the container for quality. The safety precautions that are taken during the manufacturing process. The manufacturing process for shipping containers can be dangerous. There are many moving parts, and there is a risk of injury from falling objects. To ensure the safety of workers, manufacturers take a number of precautions, such as 1. Providing workers with safety equipment, such as hard hats, safety glasses, and steel-toed boots. 2. Enforcing safety rules, such as wearing safety equipment at all times and following proper procedures. 3. Providing training on safety procedures. The environmental impact of shipping container manufacturing. The manufacturing of shipping containers has a number of environmental impacts. The production of steel requires a significant amount of energy, and the transportation of shipping containers also produces emissions. To reduce the environmental impact of shipping container manufacturing, manufacturers are taking a number of steps, such as 1. Using recycled materials. 2. Using energy-efficient production methods. 3. Investing in renewable energy. Interesting facts about shipping containers. 1. The first shipping container was invented in 1956 by Malcolm McLean. 2. Shipping containers are used to transport over 90% of the world's cargo. 3. The average shipping container can hold up to 28 tons of cargo. 4. Shipping containers can last for over 20 years. That's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed learning about the process of manufacturing shipping containers. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more shipping and logistics related videos.